Hello friends, I am Vinit Jain. Today I came with a new area to work on, to discuss with you, that is on maintaining the data for audit or other financial transactions for getting the audit done. This is basically to address the issue which I've faced or I have seen across different organization while working in consulting and then in industry as their finance partner. So what happens, team used to work a lot but they don't know how to manage the data to provide to the auditor or to the stakeholders. So this video will help you out how to maintain the data, and this is basically for the interns or maybe people working in small firms or small organizations where they don't get the hands-on training or maybe supervision how to maintain the data. So this will be uh, basically I will be suggesting how to maintain the data, and that will be their will how they want to improvise it for their working. For example, I'm coming to the working how I'm suggesting that. So if you see the number of folders, if you see over here, the number of folders over here where details have been taken. What happens while getting the audit done? So each and every time you have to drill down in each and every folder to see the details and then to share it to the respective stakeholder. So for that, I suggest maintain schedules. What I have done nothing but make the folders for broader items of the balance sheet, like assets, then liability, then my expense side, then revenue side. So in for the categories, we can sum up the complete working of our balance sheet, and that will be very helpful to us. I'll show you how. For example, if you go to assets, you can see you have fixed assets, you have loan and advances, you have prepaid schedule, then security deposit working, bank statements, bank balance and confirmation from your debtors. Here you can maintain soft copy, Excel, PDF, fixed assets, complete FA report, documents around that, capitalization document, then loan and advances, then my security deposit confirmation, or maybe your entity has given more security deposit, so some document around that. This is how assets is being done. Then coming to liability, creditor working, actual report, any other provision, 43B challans, like that. And coming to my secretarial records. So this is how in broader category you can maintain the data and provide the data to the stakeholders. Then coming to the expense side, we have data around payroll data, vendor agreements, so, and then my financials, where I have kept my financials. This is how I am going to maintain them. So these 7, 8 folders will help you out to carry through your audit and maintain the data. You can have different clients. For example, I have client X. I keep all the folders for a client X over here. Let's say client Y. Then I will have client Y. So what will happen? There will be no mess around the data for different client, different database, data set. And apart from that, my complete data around these folders or maybe category will help you out in dealing with the stakeholders. So if you have any question around that, let me know, and you can use this as a a line where you can work on and you can improvise according to your needs and as per your requirement of the organization. And thanks a lot. I will be sharing more videos on the issues which we face while doing the audits or maybe while in working with my clients as a finance partner. Thanks a lot.